Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Polo Ralph Lauren Rodwell Slides. So as you can see, it comes in a nice box like that. It's summer right now in the UK, so this is perfect for that. This is perfect for the situation. So let's go ahead and look at this. Alright guys, so it says Polo there, Ralph Lauren. These are actually 35 quid at JD right now, so it's good offer to be fair. But yeah, let's have a look at the box. Plain box pretty much. Okay guys, so this is a UK size 9. I'm a size 10, but in sliders you get a bit one size lower usually, because it's just better fit, because they're usually a bit bigger. So yeah, go ahead and try that out, whatever you want to do, up to you really. But yeah, I got size 9, made in China, as you can see, black version, Rodwell, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Rodwell. So yeah, so look at this side, not much else, same thing there, Rodwell and stuff, barcode. Recycle box. There's not much to this. Oh shit, there's not much to this box. Let's have a look at this. Wow, look at that. Okay, so you got loads of horses and stuff. The guy, the logo basically, but I don't know what it's called. There's a sport I always forget it, but yeah, it's that sport where that he's playing, where you on a horse and you hit something. But yeah, alright guys, let's have a look at that. It's very nice packaging. So these are the sliders itself, as you can see. Got the Polo there, that's very nice. I'm going to go ahead and take these out. Got some cushioning there, just to keep it in shape. Take those out. Get the box out of the way, so you can have a look. Alright guys, so this is the shoes itself. It's a bit dirty, but oh well. You can always clean them. Oh, these are very light. Oh, this is cushioned, very cushiony. That is nice guys. This is going to feel good on your feet. Very grippy as well, as you can see. Just show you the grip. Look at that grip guys. So that grip's there so you don't, basically your foot won't slip out of there. It's a nice groove as well, as you can see. There's a nice groove. It's not level, as you can see. Very nice, isn't it? And this is very cushioned. It's a leather smell coming out of it. And look at the design on that, the embroidering and stuff. With the Polo sign, the Ralph Lauren sign. Look, that's the spot I'm on about, but I don't know what it's called. If anybody knows, please tell me what it is. But yeah, that's very nice. So it's very thin bottom actually. It gets thick at the back though, so it'll absorb more stuff. The bottom is quite grippy as well, as you can see. Got Polo sign there, Polo logo. Look at that, damn. Alright guys, let's have a look at both of them together. Very nice, aren't they? But yeah, look, very cushiony. And yeah, look at that. That's going to take quite a lot of wear and tear, which is good. It's a bit dirty, but yeah, we'll have to give that a wash or something, or wipe it. Yeah, this is good for the summer, because summer is right now. So go ahead and buy some sliders. Check out my description. I'll probably have a link to something to buy it, probably an affiliate link, so I'll make some money while you're buying it. So thank you guys if you do decide to buy it. But yeah, so look at that guys, look at that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go wear these now so you can see. Also, if you haven't checked out my other videos, go check them out. I did in my last video I did a unboxing of the Nike Epic React, the new shoes for the men. That's nice. It's a triple black one, very nice. And then before that I did a EQT support video, 9170 something, oh I don't know, 9117 or something. Very nice shoe, go check that out as well. And I also have loads of other shoe unboxings, go check them out. And I have lots of different content. Please feel free to check out my whole channel. Subscribe to me, helps me grow. Please share my videos as well, it does help me a lot. And comment down below anything you want me to improve on, anything you want me to review, anything you want at all. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these on now so you can have a look. Alright guys, as you can see, perfect fit. Look at that. So size 9, perfect fit. I'm not that used to the middle bit yet. There's that middle section there that always tickles my feet. This groove here, because it goes upwards like that. It's like a hill like that. It goes onto your feet like that. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just zoom out a bit. There you go. There's like a groove here that goes upwards like that. And then the rest is like that. So I'm not used to it yet. But it's just quite nice. Very comfy. Yeah, perfect fit. I'd say go down one size from what your normal size is. I'm size 10, so I went down a size. So size 9, best fit. Complete good fit. Look at that, very nice. It's very stylish. as you can see. Very good for the summer, going on holiday and stuff. Even just wearing it out in public, just anyway. Obviously you wouldn't wear it with socks, but you can do if you want. That's up to you. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna make a thumbnail now, so you can watch me do that. Alright guys, let's make a nice thumbnail. How can we do a nice thumbnail, guys? I should do it this way. One same polo, the other this way. No? Guys, help me do this, guys. Alright, we got Ralph Lauren polo. That looks pretty shit. I think it's gonna have to be at the front from this side. Right, polo, something like that. That's gonna be the new thumbnail. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please check out my channel and please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye guys.